Hey guys, Arun from GadgetGuruBN.com. This is both Bassheads 900 headphones unboxing. Let's dive in. Taking a look, here is the quick specs. Pricing on the box is $24.90 but online it sells for under $1,000. I'll have the links in the description so that you can check and compare the best price. Inside the box you find the headphones itself, warranty card and paperwork. The build quality seems to be very good and also feels upmarket. These headphones are easy to carry as they take up less space and comes in this foldable design. The use of materials is very good, thus making the headphones well put together. For better audio performance, it features 40mm neodymium drivers and 20Hz to 20kHz frequency range. The headband comes with bit of cushioning for better comfort. Well, that's it for the unboxing. Stay tuned for the full review. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, comment, share to show your support. You can also follow up on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and Instagram, all links in the description. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on bell notifications to stay notified and stay awesome.